Tejasvi, the charge against your party is that you're imposing one language, one culture, one idea of India, whereas India is made up of a plurality of ideas. You're trying to homogenize them into one unitary concept.
Rahul, if we approach facts with a non-prejudiced mind, common sense will dictate to us that reality is very different from the delusion that a few people are living in. Our dear friend, my respected learned member of parliament from the MIM, spoke about democracy and its strength. While his party in the parliament opposed the abrogation of Article 370, a vicious article which killed democracy in Jammu and Kashmir. Today they come and hear lecture on democratic rights. Jyotimani ji, like any young man or girl here, I am equally for the idea that each young man or girl in India must have the freedom to choose and love whoever she or he wants. That's a personal choice that must be respected. But unfortunately, your party does not believe in it, because until the abrogation of Article 370, a girl in Kashmir, if she chose to fall in love with a Kannadiga or a Tamilian, would lose her property rights. She couldn't get her inheritance. She had no choice to love. She had no choice to love who she wants. If she chose to love or marry someone from outside of Kashmir, she had to pay an extremely heavy price. And you opposed that, and today you are coming here and have an hypocritical sense, giving us a lecture on freedom of choice and who we should choose to love. Rahul, the fundamental philosophy of the Bharatiya Janata Party is about respecting the indigenous diversity about India. We respect every culture that is born in this land. Whether it is our languages, whether it is our dress, whether it is our customs, it is only the BJP which firmly believes that there is an inherent oneness in the cultural space of India, which apparently is so diverse. I was shocked to know that, Jyotimani ji, I have tremendous respect for you, but what do you mean when you say India is not one nation? What do you mean we are not one nation? When a fellow Punjabi soldier dies at the border, it doesn't matter if I am a Kannadiga in Bangalore, I cry for him because I connect with him, because we are the same one nation.